Now next in line, it's like we want to remove unwanted columns. Why we want to remove unwanted columns? Because we want to we don't want to overload our data set with too many columns which are unwanted, which are not required for our calculation purpose or our analysis purpose. So it is advisable that we remove our unwanted columns, which will not be form which will not be part of our data analysis. So how to remove those columns? Okay, like here in this, we don't want this column which it is showing only which what is the format of that file. So you can right click on that particular column which we want to remove, and right click and remove. You see this, all those menus what we have in the query editor, transformation, we get to see here in a shortcut way through the right click of your menu. So you can perform all these data transformation. These are the various tools available in Power Query Editor for doing your data transformation and data shaping. You can remove columns, you can change type, okay, you can transform, okay, lowercase, uppercase, trim, clean, okay, you can replace, find and replace values. You can do split column. We'll see how to split column, pivot, unpivot, fill, down or up. Okay, so these are the various type of query editing tools which are available within Power Query Editor. Okay, now in this scenario we want to remove the unwanted columns. Okay, so removing unwanted columns will help us in limiting our data model size, and whereby it will increase the efficiency and performance of our Power BI reports. Okay, so always see to it that whatever unwanted columns which we don't want uh, for our calculations, okay, we have to remove them.